So may tinatawag kasi tayong vector valued functions. Okay? Pag sinabing vector valued function, okay? Halimbawa, itong vector na to is a function of t. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung mga component niya is also a function of t. Okay? Still a vector, kaya may makikita ka niyan unit vector, I, J, K. Okay? For another vector, let's say vector A, as a function of u. So each, given yung vector niya, each a function also of u. Okay? Kasi nga, vector function u, A of u. E di A sub 1 of u, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kapag dinerivative natin ang isang vector valued function, halimbawa, dinerivative ko tong A, that is with respect to u, ang mangyayari dyan, ang equivalent dyan, diniderivative natin yung kanyang component with respect to u. Okay? Derivative nito, A sub 1 with respect to u times I. So, ang sagot is also a vector valued function. Okay? Difference is, nakaderivative lang yung kada component. Okay? Vector pa rin. So, kapag in-apply naman natin siya sa higher derivative, halimbawa, second derivative ng A with respect to u for the second time. E di, ganun pa rin, i-derivative natin ulit yung component with, halimbawa, derivative ulit ng A sub 1, the second derivative of A with respect to u ulit. Ganon. Times I. Ganon pa rin. Okay? Okay. So, halimbawa, no? Ano ang derivative ng vector A? So, given vector A of t. A of t. That is, ln of t, I, plus secant of t, j, minus arctangent of t, k. Okay? So, i-derivative natin to. First derivative, dA over, with respect to t. Okay? dA over dt yan. No? So, ano yung derivative ng ln of t? Di ba? Ano yan? 1 over t. I. Derivative of secant tangent, j. Ano yung first derivative ng arctangent? Minus 1 over 1 plus t squared. Okay. Okay. So, pag hinanap naman, ano yung second derivative ng A with respect to t is negative 1 over t squared I. So, derivative ulit nito. Okay. So, pag nilagay natin dito, secant t, derivative ng tangent, secant squared. So, secant cube t. So, plus, tangent naman, derivative ng secant tangent. So, tangent secant tangent. J. Minus, ano ang derivative nito? 2t over 1 plus t squared over 2. Anyway, kung gusto nyo i-double check yung derivative nito, pwede apply yung yung product rule, ito quotient. So, that is derivative. Pag vector valued function na.